Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Famous HOMAG Machine Learning, and that's a homage like drill machines, and is a operating system, is a operating to drills, the systematics, and there's a part of them, maybe should be a part of them, and these are drills. We got the drills, you know. And these are finish them, and there's a part of them like these are holes. It's a very complicated machine. It's a very complicated, and it's a very very harmful. And it's a service check. It's a service check, and it's a scanner, barcode scanner like homage, all kind of homage. So we used to barcode to scan, and that's a procedure, and that's 160 kg from that weight. And I hope you enjoy my channel. And there's a jowet, my previous video I see the jowet, like jowet is a very technical glue, like super glue, like extra super glue, And I hope you enjoy my channel, Mr. Famous HOMAG Machine Learning. And guys, that's a part of that. It's a very complicated machine, and it's a company level, and Abhiyad is a very good quality from wooden furnitures, maybe all kind of them, a part of them. And there's a sheet to properly, and has an age, and I hope you enjoy my channel, Mr. Famous HOMAG. Thank you so much.